Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use your multiplication chart. Yours looks like this, so I want you to pause and make sure you have that and then come back. Go. All right, so the first thing I want you to notice is across the top in the blue strip we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Along the side in this red section, it starts with 1, even though it's in blue. Then it goes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we have all these numbers in the middle. Okay, so I am going to show you how to use this first, and I just want you to watch, and then we'll do a problem together. So I have 9 times 2 equals blank. I'm going to start with this first number 9, and I want to find it across the top. Oh, there it is. And I'm going to hold my finger there. Next, I want to find the second number along the side here. And there it is, and I'm going to hold my finger there. Okay, now I'm going to slide my first finger down until it's in the same row as my second finger. Do you see that? Now with this second finger, I'm going to carefully slide it across until my fingers meet, and I want to make sure I stay in that same row. Oh, and look at that, they meet at 18. So 9 times 2 equals 18. Let's do another one. Let's do this one together. Okay? So read the problem with me. 4 times 8 equals blank. All right, so we're going to start with the number 4, and do you see it? Yep, there it is across the top. Okay, so put your finger there and hold it there. And next, I want you to find the number 8. There it is. Okay, so start with this finger and carefully slide it down. Now, you have to make sure you stay in the same column. Okay, so go really slow until you're in the same row as your other finger. Okay, do you see that? All right, now take this finger and slide it across very carefully. Stay in the same row until you land on the number where they meet. Where did you land? 32? Awesome. So 4 times 8 equals 32. Okay, let's do another one. 5 times 3 equals blank. Okay, this time I want you to find the 5 across the top. Okay, hold your finger there. Now with your other hand, I want you to find 3 across the side. Okay? All right, now slide your finger down until you get to the same row as the 3, and slide your other finger across until you get to the place where they meet up. All right, and where did you land? Let's see. Did you say 15? Awesome. 5 times 3 equals 15. Okay, let's do a tricky one. 0 times 7 equals blank. I don't see any zeros on here, do you? Well, that means I have nothing and I take nothing 7 times. So if I started with nothing and I take it 7 times, I still have nothing. So the answer is 0. That one's kind of tricky. All right. In your materials pouch, you have these equation strips, or I should say in this plastic sleeve. So you can take these out, and what I'd like for you to do is just use them to practice some more. You don't need to write the answers, and actually I don't want you to because we'll use this again. Okay, so you can find these, practice finding them on your chart. Okay, now when you're done, I want you to put everything back in this plastic, in this pouch. It's a little tricky to get it all back in there, and I would recommend keeping this in your binder, okay? Because later I'll teach you how to use this one. All right, friends, see you next time.